And how many beers have you had tonight?
34! Wait.
What the f, dude?
Wait.
Oh, wait.
You suck at math, and that's why your parents don't love you. Now answer this problem. If Johnny had 50 apples and Stevie had 500 apples, how many apples would Johnny have?
What the f is 500 apples?
Look at this shit!
We are sending the first rat to the moon, boys.
What's going on, man? What you doing, man? What's going on with you, man? What's up with this microwave stuff, man? Crazy, man.
Oh.
Nah. Loren. No.
Keys? Yeah. My roommate's picky. Oh, perfect. Thanks, boss.
In Hawkins' last words.
Hi, ladies.
Hey, bro, chill, no, bro. It's not worth it.
Yo, who the f said birds aren't real? Then what the f are these, huh? You telling me these aren't real?
Hey, yo, there's a speed bump up here.
Bye. Oh, come on. Come on. I get enough.
Yo, this is for any girl that hasn't been told they're beautiful yet today. So, you can stop being sad now.
Alright, you ready? You want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Look up there.
What the f***? This motherfucker just cut the sky.
Yeah.
Bomb has been planted.
This is Monster Energy drink. Now watch what happens when I put this Monster Energy drink on this TV. This is crazy. Watch.